The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at the same Gmail OTP issue. Now, the same Gmail OTP issue is when you've forgotten your password and you factory reset your phone, or you lost your phone, or it's been stolen, it's broken, and you need to reset your password. What happens then is that if you have not set up recovery options for this happening, then Google will probably ask you to receive a code to the phone number, which you might be able to do. And then you enter the code that you received to the phone number. And then Google say, okay, but I need you to receive another code. And this time it must be received to the very Gmail that you're trying to recover access to. And you might think to yourself, well, how am I supposed to do that? I need to be able to sign into the Gmail in order to see the Gmail's inbox. Now, this is not a mistake on Google's part. It is happening because you didn't set up enough recovery options for yourself in case something like this happens, in case you factory reset your phone or you've forgotten your password. So in this case, Google is actually only going to be able to ask you, is it possible that you still have access to the inbox? Maybe with a mail app from Apple, or maybe you're forwarding email from that Gmail to another email that you do have access to. As long as you can receive that code, that would then verify you twice as the owner of that Google account. So let's say you've done a Google search and you've come across these articles, and you will see here that there's videos on the subject, and the Google account help community is here. And this particular issue here, let's have a look at this one here. That actually takes you to a community guide by myself, which gives you the information that I've just told you about, and also tells you what you can try to do about it. And when I say you could try to do about it, it is because only you can try and fix this particular issue. If anybody tells you that they can help you as long as you pay them money, they are lying to you. You're the only one who can try and resolve this. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.